guys, nandito sa Peace, this is the only place where satisfaction is guaranteed. Amen? Sabi ng Panginoon na pag nagbigay ka, yan ay babalik sa'yo. Spontanan, siksik, higay. Good measure, press down, shake it together, run it over again. It will come back to you. When you give to the Lord. And it will come back to you. Good measure, press down, shake it together, run it over. I believe that our God desires nothing but the best for us. Give your life to God. Be a clay that God will mold, a clay that God will form according to His perfect plan.
Kapatid, may tanong ako sa inyo. Ano ang pagkakaiba ng nalaglag sa 20th floor at saka sa 2nd floor lang ng building? Okay, bago masagot ng alam na. Pag galing sa 20th floor, yung nalaglag, boom! Because of the law of gravity. Yung nalaglag sa 2nd floor, ganito, boom! We are cursing ourselves if we are not following some spiritual laws. When you want to grow, you have to give. You do not serve God by giving time alone. Amen? And you do not serve God by giving talents alone. E di puro talent show na lang. You do not serve God also by giving treasure alone. You have to give God everything in you. Don't cheat yourself from the gifts of giving. There are two giant or major gifts of giving. At dahil dalawa yan, major. Yes. A person of giving. Two major gifts of giving. A gift of pain and the gift of prosperity. If there is no pain, there is no success.